Friends, today is a very proud moment for me and a very proud moment for all of you. Today, your company Modicare has become the fastest growing company in the world. Today, we dream of things that we never dreamed of earlier. And also this year, I would like to invite you to my home so that we can play Holi together. This year, March 18th, I am looking forward to welcoming you to my home, and I am hoping that you will add more color in my life and all the lives of people around us. So please get ready to put color and to celebrate a festival that is very special to all of us. So let's do Holi together, and once again I'm looking forward to having you at my house on March 18th. Jai Hind.